Oh boy, this is 3-5 notes or 4-5 notes for honors geometry. So 4-5 notes. So 4-5 notes, part one. And I totally forgot to do this, so I'm doing it now. So anyway, here we are. In chapter 4, section 5, there's a main idea called two lines cut by a transversal. And this creates 8 angles. And it looks like this. Boom, boom, boom. All right, this line here is the transversal. So this is the transversal. And these are the two lines. And then the 8 angles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to identify, known, all right, previously known angle pairs. All right, there's a lot of them, all right? So we can talk about sup-angle pairs. All right, there's one known angle pair relationship. So we can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 3. Now we could sit there and name a whole bunch of them, blah, 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 blah. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. Okay, 5 and 7, 6 and 8, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We can keep going with those supplemental angle pairs. There's also vertical angle pairs. And those are angle 1 congruent to angle 4. Now, because vertical angles are always congruent, angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Okay? Angle 5 is congruent to angle 8. Angle 6 is congruent to angle 7. So we have 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 5 and 8, and 7 and 6 are vertical angle pairs in this two lines, boom, boom, cut by a transversal. Okay? Now, there's other angle pairs. So there's new angle pairs. New angle pairs. Again, when two lines are, cut by a transversal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8 angles. Okay? There's new angle pairs. there's these angles called corresponding, excuse me, corresponding angles. Now, corresponding angles, those are one in, okay, so what I mean by in is inside. Okay, so inside the two lines, that's what I mean by in. One out. Okay, so what I mean by out is outside the two lines. All right, one in, one out, same side of transversal. So by the same side, I mean on this side and this side. Okay? So the transversal in the middle here has two sides to it. It has this side and this side. So corresponding angles are those angles that are one in, one out on the same side of the transversal. The first corresponding angle pair is angle 1 and angle 5. Okay? So angle 1 and angle 5. Now, what does that look like? Well, angle 1 and angle 5. Those are corresponding angles. This one and this one. Same side of the transversal, one in, one out. Now, 1 and 3, we already know, those are supplementary. These are called a linear pair, but those are supplementary. So 1 and 5 are corresponding. Okay? Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding. Angle 3, angle 7. See them? Those are corresponding. Now we got to go to the other side of the transversal, and we can see that angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding. And then the last set of corresponding angles would be angle 4 and angle 8. So, corresponding angles, one in, one out, same side of the transversal. Okay? So we're going to do a new angle here, and we have alternate interior angles. Okay, so we'll draw two new lines cut by a transversal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And alternate interior, okay, interior means on the inside here, okay? And alternate means back and forth. So one's on one side and one's on the other, okay? So the alternate interior angles in this one are 3 and 6. You see how they alternate on the opposite sides of the transversal? And then the next pair are 4 and 5. So alternate interior angles, these are inside the transversal, opposite sides, okay? So in this problem, we have angle 3 and angle 6, and angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Okay? So that's alternate interior. Now, the last set of angle pairs is alternate exterior. Okay? Alternate exterior. And those are just like alternate interior, but they're like outside the transversal and opposite sides of transversal. Okay? So alternate exterior angles look like this. Here's two lines, and here's the transversal, and here's the 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So alternate exterior angles are 1 and 8. Okay? And 2 and 7. So they're outside the transversal. All right, that means are outside the two lines. So they're outside the two lines. This is the inside of the two lines. Interior. Okay? It's not inside the transversal. That's not right. I don't know what I was thinking there. It's inside the two lines. So inside the two lines is interior. Outside the two lines is exterior. And inside the two lines is interior. And the alternate exterior are on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so this is annoying. Get the sticky marks on the pen. Okay, so the alternate exterior angles in this problem would be angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Okay? So those are the new pairs of angles. All right, the corresponding angles. 1 in, 1 out, same side. So 1 in, 1 out, same side of the transversal. Okay? 1 in, 1 out, same side of the transversal. And then 2 and 6. And 4 and 8. Okay? So, we also have alternate interior. So, inside the two lines, opposite sides of the transversal. Alternate interior. And then we have alternate exterior, like outside the two lines and alternating opposite sides of the transversal. Okay. So here's a test. All right, I'm going to reorder these angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So corresponding. All right, corresponding. So we have 2 and 5. All right, and 3 and 7. And what other two? We're going to say angle 6 and 1. All right, 6 and 1, Sam, and 4 and 8. Okay? Now, alternate interior. All right, would be 3 and 6. I'm running out of time here, so, and then there's one more, alternate exterior, 2 and 8, 1 and 7. Okay? So that explains 4, 6. Have a good day. Bye.